Hi Dom, this is John. I'm showing you a quick advanced copying technique. So I have an existing file and I've labeled that index. Note I've just stuck this whole thing into your video tutorial. Now if I open index by double clicking, it shows me that because it's an HTML file, it will open in a browser. Right, browser, close the browser. If I right click and open it with my editor, in this case Notepad++, I can see that it's an HTML doc. Note, I've copied the pre-existing style sheet into it so it can reference a style sheet, and I've just called it homepage and homepage and homepage. So it's a meaningless page, but look, open and close HTML tags, open and close header. In the header I have the style sheet and the title page. In the body, so let's close that. In the body I just have homepage, and this is a homepage placeholder. Now, and this is what it looks like. Back to the index, back to the browser, and when it loads, it's not actually referencing the style sheet because I have not got the style sheet in the same folder. Watch this. Back to where I've put it. Public, control, right click, copy, DOM, back to where that index page was, paste in here to the correct place, double click, and it will now reference the style sheet. It'll be greeny, slime, whatever. Now I have changed the background color to a golden color using W3 Schools and selecting a golden color. We can't use any Vade color of green at all in a bakery page because it subconsciously loads images of mold. Tip. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is copy this page. Copy and paste. And rename it. Rename and just call it page 1. Now, if I have 10 pages for a website, I've now got 2, I need to make another 8. So, highlight page 1. No, in fact, edit it. Open with the editor. I don't want every page referencing that, or maybe I do. Make a decision. Kill that, and just call this page space 1. Now I can highlight that. Highlight, Control C. Highlight, Control V, placeholder, Control, highlight homepage, Control V, save, and just leave that there. Go back to Windows Explorer and highlight, copy, paste, rename the file, page 2. Let me just show you that again. Highlight, extend the menu down, slide down to the rename option on the menu. Left click. Again, highlight what you want to replace, page 2. Right click, select it in the editor, in this case Notepad++, and just edit it. So that's now page 2. It's page 2. Now put a space there and call that page 2. Save. And just leave it there. Okay. Now this is much better than doing it the other way because, okay, well, I'll show you the alternative, and they're much of muchness. Go right. So I've highlighted and copied that. New file, paste, file, save as. Change it from text to. Now on my index, I'm clicking on the keyboard. I'm clicking the letter H, so it goes to the top of the list of H. Tab down to find an HTML extension, enter, and change this name now to page 3. Save, and then edit it, because we can see this is indeed page 3 here where my mouse is in the tab. So highlight the bits that are 2, 3, 3, 3, and save again. That actually has several more clicks in it than the other way. If we go back to Windows Explorer, hey presto, I've now got 4 pages. I've got half of the framework set up for this. Sound good? That's the fastest way to bang out a framework for your assignment or any commercial website as it is. Okay, thanks for your time. You can use this as your own resource. This has been John from the University Skills Academy. A one-on-one aid to memory for advanced copy and pasting for Dominique. Take it easy.